Good?
Yeah, you good? Hell yeah. I'll follow you for a little bit. I'll follow you until we get to the highway. So boys, I'm out here on my brand new to me motorcycle. It is a 2001 F4i. It's got 24,300 on it, give or take a mile. I just bought this thing in August. I still have the Harley. I'm just on this right now because the Harley is super close to needing its next service, and I didn't want to dick with that anytime soon. I'm out in Holland with one of my boys, John. We're just gonna cruise. My first moto vlog on this new bike. Sorry I've been gone for so long. The reason I was gone for so long is because I got a new helmet. I bought a Simpson Ghost Bandit because I dropped my other one, the Icon, and it fucking shattered. And it took me a long ass time to get everything switched over, and then my mic died when I actually got shit switched over, so I had to get a new mic and wait for that to come in. We're all good now, but I have a new setup on the way it is. I hope y'all can see what I'm looking at, which most of the time will probably be road, because this bike is not meant for people that are 6'4". It's fun though. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. This doesn't. Yes, I've already raced on this. I took on a Hellcat on the highway, and I didn't win nor did I lose, but the speedometer, which works half the time, my phone is what I've been using. This is why it says Detroit, because I don't want to get to a destination anytime soon. I'm using it for a speedometer. I said 160, and that fucking Hellcat was on me. Like, I was on the Hellcat. But holy shit. I'm still not used to riding this yet, so I apologize if you judge me for how I'm in the corners. You clicked. Oh, we're stopping anyway. This bike will shoot flame out the exhaust too, which is awesome. But I'm being extra careful unless I'm in a straightaway because I don't want to lay down this bike. I got it in August and I didn't get the chance to fix the cam chain tensioner and get a new tire on it until like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So I'm still very, very fresh on this bike. Oh, baby wheelie. I got a fucking blue Nissan on my ass right this second. It's okay, I'll get rid of her straight away.